Looking for the best vacuum mop combo that actually makes cleaning faster, easier, and kind of satisfying? Here's the short list, ranked from 6 to 1 with real-world pros, quirks, and the moments each one shines the most. Here's what matters. This isn't a specs dump. It's the hands-on stuff, how they move, how they deal with pet hair, how much fiddling they need, and whether they leave floors looking clean or close enough. Stick around to the end for the top cordless pick that nails everyday speed cleaning without the usual drama. 6. BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro 2306A. So the CrossWave Pet Pro is like that dependable friend who shows up when things get messy, pet spills, gritty entryways, and just gets it done without complaining. It vacuums and washes at the same time, which cuts cleaning time in half on sealed hard floors, and even does a passable job on area rugs if you don't push your luck. The tangle-free brush roll is the hero here for pet hair, and the 2-tank setup keeps clean water separate from dirty so you're not smearing grime around. You know that "I just mopped" look? This gets pretty close, especially on tile and vinyl. Let me explain why it's on this list. The 25-foot cord and 11.5-pound weight give it a stable, planted feel so it tracks straight and doesn't chatter across textured floors. The 12-inch cleaning path covers space faster than you expect, and the swivel head threads around chair legs without feeling floppy. The rinse and clean tray plus the self-clean cycle are small joys. You finish a session, park it, hit clean, and it flushes the gunk out of the brush and internal channels. That genuinely extends the machine's life. Now, here's the part you should know. Maintenance is part of the deal. The dirty tank is just 14.5 ounces, so if you're deep cleaning a big kitchen after a weekend of guests and dogs, you'll be emptying more than once.
5. Shark VACMOP Reveal, the VM401. The Shark VACMOP Reveal is that quick-fix cleaner that lives for spilled cereal and sticky footprints before guests arrive in 10 minutes energy. It's super light, cordless, and the dirt reveal illumination actually helps. You'll see the dust trails and dried splatters you would have missed. The draw is simple. It vacuums debris into the pad's chamber and spray mops in one smooth motion. If you hate pre-sweeping, this is your little cheat code. Here's what feels good in the hand. The trigger-controlled spray, the instant pickup on crumbs, and the fast-drying streak-free finish when you don't oversaturate the floor. It's effortless on sealed hard surfaces like hardwood, tile, and vinyl, and you'll appreciate the no-touch pad ejection more than you think. Click and done. For small apartments or daily maintenance, it's weirdly convenient. Now, the trade-offs are real. The disposable pads are the cost of admission, so the long-term price climbs if you clean daily. There's no true water recovery like a wet-dry extractor, so you're relying on the pad to trap everything. And for heavier messes or greasy kitchen zones, you'll use more solution and pads than you might like. It's not a deep cleaner, it's a fast finisher. Use case sweet spot? Quick refreshes, everyday crumb patrol, last-minute shine-ups before dinner. If your floors are mostly tidy and you value speed, this nails it. If you've got pets and toddlers doing art, you'll eventually want something with more tank capacity and extraction.
4. Riku Vacuum and Mop Combo. Riku's stick-style vacuum mop combo aims for that powerful pickup plus active mopping lane without the boutique price tag, and for hard floors, it pulls its weight. The motor feels punchy enough for everyday dust and grit, and the electric mopping function adds the finish that dry vacs miss. You know that slightly tacky kitchen tile after pasta night? This levels it out in one pass if you don't flood the area. What stands out in daily use is the ease of handling, good maneuverability, tidy profile, and solid control over water applications so you don't end up with a lake. It's comfortable for longer sessions and gets under kickboards and around table legs with a clean line. The waste separation prevents odorous slurry from recirculating, which, yes, you'll notice by week 3. It doesn't try to reinvent anything, which is a positive. You get straightforward controls, stable suction for hard floors, and that vac and mop in one go efficiency that makes routines stick. From mixed hard surfaces, laminate, vinyl plank, sealed wood, it keeps things even and presentable, especially if you're not battling constant pet hair. 2 things to watch: charge cycles versus house size, and solution discipline. If you're heavy-handed with water, streaks happen. If you take measured passes, the finish is consistent. Also, keep up with brush and channel cleaning so you don't lose flow after a month. 3. iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo Plus AutoWash Dock. Now we're talking hands-free. The Roomba Plus 405 combo elevates robot mopping from cute to credible. With dual spinning mop pads, downward pressure, and smart scrub modes, it actually scrubs, not just drags a damp cloth. LiDAR maps quickly and runs precise linear paths, and the AutoWash dock is a quiet flex. It empties the dustbin for up to 75 days and washes, refreshes, and dries the mop pads automatically. You said it, it maintains itself. Very civilized. Here's what matters in the real world. Carpet detection with auto lifting pads so you can vacuum and mop in one job without soaking rugs. Adjustable suction levels for noise or power, and customizable room-specific routines that fit how your home actually gets dirty. Send it to the kitchen after breakfast, then have it deep scrub the entryway on weekends. That kind of targeting keeps floors consistently clean with minimal thought. The cleaning quality is solid. With 70x suction claims on tap and those spinning pads, dried coffee rings and heel marks come up in 2 slow passes, and it leaves hard floors uniform. It's not a miracle worker on grout trenches, but for daily and midweek maintenance, it's impressive. The new app is clearer, faster, and gives useful health statuses for filters and pads. A few grounded notes. There's no dedicated obstacle avoidance on this model, so cable control still matters, and you'll want to keep pet toys off the floor before a run. 2. MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If you want robot convenience with a more budget-friendly angle, the MONSGA combo is a pleasant surprise. It navigates logically, keeps suction steady across hard floors, and switches to mopping without drama. The pathing is tidy enough that you won't find weird, half-mopped islands, and the app controls give you day-to-day control without a learning curve. It's the get started with robot cleaning and not feel shortchanged option. In use, the vacuum pickup is confident on crumbs and dust lines, and the mopping function keeps kitchens and hallways from sliding into sticky territory. For pet hair, plan a regular schedule and it stays ahead. The tank management is simple and it plays nicely with mixed surfaces as long as you set sensible no-go areas. What makes it pop at this price is the consistency. No random wandering, decent edge work, and predictable returns to the base. You know those spots you always step on barefoot and think, ugh, grit? Those go away when you let it run every morning. It's less flash than premium bots, but the quality of life lift is real. Considerations: it won't wash its own pads or auto-empty like the iRobot 405 dock, so you'll do a bit more weekly maintenance. And while it avoids tangles decently, cable tidying is still your job. If you're willing to manage the basics, it's a strong value that keeps floors looking clean day after day. 1. Proscenic P11 Cordless Vacuum and Mop Combo. Here's the everyday winner for most homes. Proscenic's P11 Cordless Vac and Mop Combo. It hits that sweet spot: lightweight, quick to deploy, reliable suction for debris, and a built-in mopping module that gives hard floors the just reset look without dragging out buckets. The head glides smoothly on wood and vinyl, swivels cleanly, and lets you get around chair legs without the micro jitters some sticks have. As a daily or every other day routine tool, it's a pleasure.
The vacuum power keeps up with crumbs, pet hair, and kitchen grit. And the mop reservoir gives enough coverage for a full open-plan kitchen without constant refills. On medium power, you get a solid balance of runtime and pickup. And the finish after a mop pass is even, no streaky lanes when you keep a steady pace. It's easy to stash, easy to charge, and ready the moment you say, okay, 5-minute reset. You know that back and forth between, I'll do a full mop this weekend and, not today. This breaks that cycle. You vacuum and mop in one quick loop after dinner, and the floor feels right. The head profile is low enough for toe kicks, the dustbin empties cleanly, and the filter maintenance is straightforward. It's not a shop vac, but it's the kind of tool you actually use often. Are there trade-offs? Sure. If your messes are heavy-duty or you're tackling muddy paw prints daily, a wet-dry extractor with active water recovery will outmuscle it. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.